I think this is going to be one of the biggest problems in the implementation of this deal, because it's very clear that this president does not accept any form of foreign interference, and is very, I would say, paranoid about foreign interferences, foreign involvement, and whatever, especially Western countries or European countries want to impose or want to get from Tunisia. He has a very, I would say, specific understanding of what Tunisia, an independent and sovereign Tunisia, should be like. And this kind of deal was negotiated for weeks. It was not easy to negotiate. The Europeans said very clearly that there were problems, and the Tunisian officials were not particularly keen and easy to deal with, unlike what happened in the past. And of course, we've also seen the incidents, the violent attacks against sub-Saharan migrants recently in Sfax, but even before that happened a few months ago with a similar dynamic, the president effectively covering or at least partly justifying these kind of violences against sub-Saharan migrants. And what will happen if these kind of incidents happen again? What kind of reaction from the European public opinion, from European political parties, particularly on the left, there will be if Europe is dealing with a political system that at the same time is also allowing for this kind of violences against migrants. I think this is a real issue, and the Europeans so far have avoided commenting on these incidents, on these episodes. But this creates a problem for Europe. This creates obviously a risk of instability and violence in Tunisia. It also creates a problem in the relations between the Europeans and the other sub-Saharan African governments, because we know that the African Union and other African countries have complained with President Kais Saied about the treatment of sub-Saharan migrants. So if these episodes continue, I think Europe will be in a very difficult position and will be forced to take some very uncomfortable stances on this whole problem.